In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps and Services. Then choose App Twin available here and tap on gray switcher next to any app you wanna clone. Quick disclaimer, if you can't see your app here, that means that HUAWEI doesn't support it to be cloned. If you do see it though, hit gray switcher and wait. Then go back and check it out. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wanna get rid of your app clone, you can delete it like any other app by holding it and tapping on delete in the pop-up, then confirming your choice, or by going into the same settings and using blue switcher next to it, then tap on close in the pop-up to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!